Aloha folks, Chris Mackold here with KW Big Island and the Hawaii team. Today's the next edition of our open house walkthrough series that we're doing. Today we're visiting the beautiful Bayview Estates here in Keauhou, beautiful resort community. This home is listed by, it's co-listed actually with Ahmed Mohammadi and Jason Mills with Hawaii Luxury Real Estate. And we thank them for allowing us to come here today and do this video so you can all appreciate this beautiful home. This home is set up as a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 half baths also, with an office, and amazing ocean views, great finishes, about almost 3,000 square feet, and the listing price for this home is $2,950,000. So it's a beautiful place. Let's go take a look. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that tour of that beautiful home in Bayview Estates. Jason did let me know that the adjacent lot is also available, owned by the sellers, so you could potentially negotiate that into the deal, which would be great. And all the furnishings you saw in that home are included in that sale. So remember, if you or anyone you know wants to buy, sell, or invest in real estate here on the Big Island, feel free to reach out to us at the number on your screen or at thehawaiiteam.com. Aloha.